Hi guys, this is Omar. In this video, I will teach you the easiest way to put your contact on for the first time. So in this method, you actually don't have to look at the contact at all. You just place the contact somewhere in your eye. The hardest part is actually getting used to touching your eye, which it just takes practice. Before you even put the contact on, just clean your finger and try to touch your eye. And I mean, you don't have to touch the pupil, just touch your eye somewhere, you know? So I'll go ahead and demonstrate like that first thing. So you clean your hand, make sure your finger clean. So this is the fluid that I'm going to be using. So there are plenty of kinds of fluids that you can use, but this is the one I have. So I put some of that fluid on my finger, and now I can like basically touch my eye. And if you can touch your eye, you can put a contact in your eye. And I'm gonna demonstrate in a second how you are gonna do that. So for example, you do this. I'm touching my eye, you see? It's kind of hard, but you'll get a hang of it. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate how you can simply put that contact in your eye for the first time. So this method, I didn't learn it until it was too late. I had to go the hard way, and then I had to figure out that there was actually an easier, much easier way to put contact in your eye. So what you do first, you take that contact off, and you make sure that your other hand is also has the contact fluid on it. So you have the contact here, you put fluid on it, you wash it with that, wash it very, very thoroughly. You take it from the very bottom, that like little tip, you make sure that contact is like that. So and I was saying, you don't have to look at the contact directly. You just put it somewhere in your eye. So for example, I'm gonna put it at the bottom, okay? And then after you put that contact on, you close your eye and then you look at that contact while your eye is closed. So, and I know it's hard. I'm not saying it's easy. It's hard, but it's much easier than just putting it on your pupil. It's just easier. So I'm gonna look up. I'm not looking at the contact at all. And well, it flipped. It's common. It just flipped. I'm gonna put it back here, and I'll try again. Okay, now you close your eye. Now you look directly at the contact. So I put at the bottom. Now I'm looking at the bottom. And you move your eye a little bit and you open up and it falls. Okay, it's in. Okay, so now that I already put both of these contacts on, I'm going to demonstrate how you're gonna take both of them off. People sometimes say that it's easier to put the contact than removing them, but actually it's harder to remove them. And I'm gonna also demonstrate the easiest method to do it. So people make it seem easy that oh you just pinch your eye, which is actually why it's hard. You have to put two fingers. When you put it on, you just use one finger. So the easiest way to do this is using the similar method. You just take that contact, move it to somewhere that is more comfortable. You don't have to look at it, and then you just take it off. So I'm gonna demonstrate. So it's up somewhere over here. You touch that contact, you put it somewhere that you're not looking. So I put it like down here, and I take it off. All right, I'm going ahead and putting it in. Yeah, I'll do the other eye. So I'm gonna take that contact, move it somewhere I'm not looking at, and take it off. It's the easiest way to do it. So I'm gonna try to touch it, move it somewhere else, and take it off. And here I have both contacts off. So I hope this video was helpful. I will try to make more educational videos like this. Let me know if you like this video and subscribe to see more. Thanks for watching.